Gaeilge Ciarán Ó Ciarán and Táilliúir Uí Bhaoill. A couple of focal of them. I'm not fluent. It's important, like we have our own language, our own identity, because if we don't use it, it's just going to disappear. It's like the tunes that we learn and the traditional scene. A lot of them are kept alive. They pass it on from generation to generation. Since we put the sign on the door, it's amazing the amount of people who notice it coming in the door. You have people who have a few words, Dutch, Jimmer tattoo, and you'll get people coming in from Gaeilge areas. Maybe that's one of the reasons that I really like to engage with people and learn your language again. We got some funding from Gaeilge to help with signage outside the front, which is lovely. You see it walking up the street. Other businesses on the main street in Letterkennny are embracing it, and it's lovely to see.